Hello everyone, I am DG Bairam, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry at KTSM College, Nasik. Welcome back in this lecture. Students, in the last lecture, we have seen the salt hydrolysis for the hydrolysis of strong acid and strong base. Then we have seen the hydrolysis of salt of weak acid and strong base. So in this lecture we are going to see the hydrolysis of salt of strong acid and weak base. So let's start with the third type, hydrolysis of salt of strong acid and weak base. For example, the hydrolysis of ammonium chloride. When the ammonium chloride dissolve in water, it will dissociate as NH4 plus Cl minus. Then this ammonium ion will react with some of the OH minus ion to the formation of ammonium hydroxide. Now, to maintain the constant value of ionic product of water, the water molecule further dissociate and which cause the increase in concentration of hydrogen ions in aqueous solution of a salt. Then the solution becomes acidic due to hydrolysis. So we can write the hydrolysis reaction of ammonium chloride as NH4 plus Cl minus plus water molecule to form NH4OH plus Cl minus plus H plus. Now by cancelling the common ions on both sides and by taking the water molecule concentration, that means the concentration of water molecules is constant. So we'll get the hydrolysis constant of salt Kh is equal to product divided by reactants NH4OH into H plus upon NH4 plus. So the ammonium hydroxide is free base, H plus is free acid, NH4 plus is unhydrolyzed salt. Okay, where Kh is the hydrolysis constant of salt. Now to maintain the hydrolytic equilibrium of salt, we have to satisfy two more equilibria. So first of all, the ionization of weak base. So your weak base is NH4OH. It gives NH4 plus OH minus. Next, so we can write by using the law, that is the ionization constant of weak base, that is the Kb is equal to product divided by reactant NH4 plus into OH minus upon NH4 OH. So this is the equation number 1. Now the ionization of pure water. So H2O will dissociate and formation of H plus OH minus, and by using the law, the ionic product of water we can write as Kw is equal to H plus into OH minus. So this is the equation number 2. Next, now dividing equation 2 by 1, that means the Kw by Kb. Here H plus, here not plus, H plus into OH minus upon NH4 plus into OH minus upon NH4 OH. Here OH minus get cancelled. We'll get the NH4 OH into H plus upon NH4 plus. So this term we can write as hydrolysis constant Kh. So we can write Kh is equal to Kw upon Kb. So this is the equation number 3. Now hydrolysis constant of salt of strong acid and weak base is inversely proportional to the ionization constant of weak base. Okay, so the hydrolysis constant is inversely proportional to the ionization constant of weak base. Now let us see degree of hydrolysis. Consider this reaction NH4Cl plus H2, it gives NH4OH plus HCl. Now the initial molar concentration of ammonium chloride is C and the initial concentration of ammonium hydroxide and HCl are 0. Then concentration at equilibrium. Concentration at equilibrium is C. For NH4Cl is C into 1 minus S. And for ammonium hydroxide is C into H. And for HCl is also C into H. Here H is the degree of hydrolysis of a salt. So the hydrolysis constant of this reaction is NH4OH into HCl upon NH4Cl. By putting the value of that means the concentration at equilibrium for ammonium hydroxide is CH and for HCl is also CH divided by the concentration at equilibrium for ammonium chloride is C into 1 minus H. So here CC get cancelled. We will get C into H cure upon 1 minus H. When H is very small as compared to 1, then this 1 minus H is approximately equal to 1. So we can write this equation as KH is equal to C into H square upon 1 minus H. Here 1 minus H is approximately equal to 1. So we'll get KH is equal to C into H square. Then the degree of hydrolysis H is equal to square root of KH upon C. So this is the equation number 4. Thus the degree of hydrolysis of salt is inversely proportional to square root of molar concentration. Now combining equation 3 and 4, we'll get this type of equation. H is equal to square root of KH upon C. Here the value of KH is KW upon KB divided by C. So this is the equation of hydrolysis of salts. So by using this equation we can calculate the degree of hydrolysis of salt of strong acid and weak base at any concentration. Okay, so finally H is equal to KW upon KB into C. So this is the equation number 5, right? So by using this equation we can calculate the degree of hydrolysis of salt of strong acid and weak base at any concentration. This equation. This is the degree of hydrolysis of salt. Now let us see pH of salt. You know that due to the hydrolysis of salt of strong acid and weak base, the salt solution becomes acidic. So H plus is equal to C into H, concentration into degree of hydrolysis. Consider this is the equation number 6. Now substituting the value of equation 5 in equation 6. So we will get H plus is equal to C into, here H value square root of KW upon KB into C. So we can write this equation as square root of KW into C upon KB. Now by taking the negative logarithm on both sides of this equation, we'll get minus log H plus is equal to minus log square root of Kw into C upon Kb, then minus log into bracket Kw into C upon Kb raised to power 1/2. So we can write this equation as pH. Okay, minus log H plus is known as the pH. pH is equal to minus 1/2 into log into bracket Kw into C upon Kb. So we'll get minus 1/2 by taking by writing this equation minus 1/2 into log Kw plus log C minus log Kb. Now by taking this sign inside the bracket, we'll get pH is equal to 1/2 into minus log Kw minus plus minus log C minus minus plus log Kb. So finally we'll get the pH is equal to 1/2 into minus log Kw means pKw, then log Kb minus is the minus pKb, and then minus log C. Okay, so by using this equation we can calculate the pH of salt of strong acid and weak base by knowing the concentration of salt. Okay, so in this lecture we have seen the hydrolysis of salt of strong acid and weak base. In the next lecture we will see the hydrolysis of salt of weak acid and weak base. Thank you.